Science at Global Junior School is a journey of curiosity, discovery, and learning. Here, pupils observe, experiment, ask questions, and explore the world around them. From the lab to the garden, from the classroom to the environment, science becomes real and practical. We learn by doing, mixing, measuring, testing, and recording. Science at Global Junior School builds confidence, sharpens the mind, and prepares us for a world of endless possibilities. A mixture is formed when two or more substances are combined, but not chemically joined together. In the laboratory, we use different methods to separate mixtures depending on the type of materials involved. Some objects do not have regular shapes, making it difficult to calculate their volume using formulas. To find their volume, we use a measuring cylinder and water displacement method. Mixing colors. In this activity, we explore what happens when colors are combined. We start with primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. By mixing them in different amounts, we create new colors called secondary colors. Welcome to our school farm. Today, we are learning about caring for rabbits, one of the gentlest and most interesting animals we keep. Proper care keeps our rabbits healthy, comfortable, and happy. Our main activities include cleaning the hutch, feeding, and vaccinating the rabbits. We begin with cleaning the hutch. A clean home is important for the rabbits' health. We remove old bedding and droppings, sweep the floor, and replace it with fresh, dry grass or wood shavings. This prevents bad smells and keeps away pests and diseases. A clean hutch means a safe and comfortable place for the rabbits to rest and grow. Next, we focus on feeding. Rabbits need a balanced diet to stay strong. We give them fresh grass, vegetable leaves, and clean drinking water every day. Sometimes, we add pellets to provide extra nutrients. We make sure the food is clean, and we avoid giving anything spoiled or dirty. Good feeding helps the rabbits grow healthy and active. Finally, we talk about vaccination and health care. Just like humans, rabbits can get sick. We make sure they receive the right vaccinations and are checked regularly. This helps protect them from diseases and keeps the whole rabbit family in good condition. If a rabbit looks weak, has watery eyes, or is not eating well, we report it early so it can get help. Caring for rabbits teaches us responsibility, kindness, and teamwork. By cleaning their home, feeding them well, and keeping them healthy, we ensure that our school farm remains a place of learning, growth, and love for animals. Welcome to our school gardening activity. Today, we are learning how to grow vegetables in small spaces, such as compounds, verandas, and corners around the home. This method helps us make good use of materials we already have, while producing fresh, healthy food. We begin by choosing containers that can hold soil. These can include old tires, polythene bags, old basins, and wooden boxes. Instead of throwing these items away, we recycle them and turn them into mini gardens. This teaches us that even small spaces can be productive when we use creativity. Caring for the plants is important. We water them regularly, remove weeds, and protect them from pests. If the weather is very hot, we shade the plants to keep them cool. With patience and care, the vegetables grow strong and healthy. Growing vegetables in small spaces helps us to improve food nutrition at home. save money, beautify our environment, and practice good farming skills. It shows us that you do not need large land to grow food. You only need creativity, care, and consistency. Let's look at how to care for tomatoes so that they grow healthy and produce good yields. Our focus is on trellising, mulching, and spraying. We begin with trellising. Tomato plants can be soft and weak, especially when they start growing taller. To support them, we tie the plants to sticks or strings. This keeps the stems upright, allows the leaves to get enough sunlight, and prevents the tomatoes from lying on the soil where they could rot. Trellising helps the plant grow strong and makes harvesting easier. The importance of weeding cabbages in our school garden. Cabbages are healthy vegetables, but for them to grow well, they must be cared for. One important activity is weeding. Weeds are unwanted plants that grow around our cabbages. If we do not remove them, they compete with the cabbages for nutrients, water, and sunlight. This means the cabbage plants may grow slowly or become weak. Weeding helps to keep the garden clean and allows the cabbage plants to get enough space to grow. It also prevents pests and diseases because many pests hide in weeds and attack the crops. By removing weeds on time, we help the cabbage plants to develop strong leaves and form good, healthy heads. This leads to better harvests and high-quality cabbages that are safe and nutritious. Harvesting kale is done when the leaves are mature, green, and tender. We pick the outer leaves first, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. Harvesting is done early in the morning to keep the leaves fresh. We handle the leaves gently to avoid bruising. Proper harvesting ensures continuous growth and a longer harvest period. Weeding soybeans is important to prevent weeds from competing for nutrients and sunlight. Weeds should be removed early while the soybean plants are still young. This allows the crop to grow strong and healthy. Clean fields reduce pests and diseases that hide in weeds. Proper weeding leads to a better yield and higher quality harvest. Sorghum and maize are important staple crops grown in many communities. They provide food for families, used to make porridge, bread, and other meals that give energy for daily work and learning. These crops are also used as animal feed, supporting poultry and livestock farming. Sorghum is drought tolerant, making it reliable even in dry seasons, while maize grows quickly and produces high yields. By growing sorghum and maize, farmers improve food security. In our journey of science at Global Junior School, we learn that knowledge is not only found in books, but also in the world around us. Through experiments, observations, and hands-on activities, we discover how things work, why they happen, and how we can use this knowledge to improve our lives. Science teaches us to think, to question, and to solve problems. It helps us to become creative, confident, and responsible learners, ready to brighten our future.
Count 2 lines.
Thank you for being part of this learning experience. Let us continue to explore, to wonder, and to believe in the power of discovery. Parents, continue supporting your children in science-oriented activities while at home. At Global Junior School, science is life, and learning never ends. Work for greater heights.